Parul was heavily pregnant when she left her 8-year-old in charge of his 6-month-old cousin. After running around the town and running some errands, she came back home to check up on Amar and her 6-month-old nephew. She drops her bags wondering where the baby was, so she asks Amar where the baby was and he doesn't respond. And he's kind of smiling, which she just finds odd and unsettling. And then he giggles and just so calmly responds, "Mom, I killed him." This is a case of youngest serial killer Amarjit Sada. Amarjit was born in 1998 in the village of Musari of Begusarai in Bihar. His parents were poor laborers and they described Amarjit as a loner. At first, like any parent, वो सोच रही होगी कि okay, this has to be a joke. There's no way. पारुल अमर से वापस पूछती है where the baby was and Amar grabs her hand and takes her to the backyard. Like any parents, I know at this point, Parul को लगता होगा कि okay fine, you know, she must be relieved कि now Amar is gonna take her to the baby. The baby must be on the ground, sucking on his thumb. But Amar just keeps taking her further and further. And then Amar backyard के एक जगह पे इशारा करता है. पारुल sees a bunch of dirt and it looks like वो अभी freshly dig किया गया है. Parul digs up and lifts up the baby out of the dirt. And at this point, like any parent, she's just in panic mode. उसको समझ नहीं आ रहा होता है what is going on and वो पलट के अपने बेटे को देखती है, अमर को देखती है and he just says, I smashed his head with a brick. ये सुन के ही she just leans over on the side and threw up. Amar's childhood was not any different from any other child. It was very normal. ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ था. He had a loving parents. He had a great village. वो लोग village में रहते थे. The community was great. कुछ ऐसा हुआ नहीं था उसके लाइफ में, कुछ अलार्मिंग नहीं था. बट एवरीवन सेड दैट ही स्माइल्ड अ लॉट. वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्माइल करता था. लाइक एवरीवन हु met him, who used to talk to him, they said he smiled a lot. You ask him anything, you talk to him, he's smiling. Even the investigators in this case said, you ask him questions, he's smiling. You ask him about the killings, he's smiling. And I know you must be thinking कि एक 8 साल के बच्चों को एक दूसरे उससे भी छोटे बच्चों के साथ छोड़ना to babysit is probably not the best idea, but you should also understand in villages babysitting is not a thing. Usually people अपने बच्चों को किसी और के घर पे या अपने थोड़े बड़े बच्चों को ही बोलते हैं संभालने के लिए. अमर हैज बीन लेफ्ट अलोन बिफोर एंड एवरीथिंग वाज फाइन, सो इसलिए पारुल को नहीं लगा दैट इट वाज अ बैड आइडिया या समथिंग कुड गो रॉन्ग. बट अमर के कुछ नेबर्स एंड उसके फ्रेंड्स ने कहा देयर वाज जस्ट समथिंग different about Amar. Something was just off. Like for example, if all of his friends were playing around, pushing, play fighting, Amar would just come and start throwing real punches like he really wants to hurt somebody. But also laughing at the same time. Like usko lag raha hai ki this is fun. Like he's doing what other kids are doing. But in reality, he's just hurting people and other kids. As a kid, even if I was around a kid like that who is super aggressive, I wouldn't have that kind of communication skill या मुझे नहीं समझेगा how to even address this because we're all kids, right? हमारे दिमाग में ये सारी चीज़ें नहीं चलती है that you know something might be wrong or something might be off with this kid. So they didn't know how to talk about it or how to address this because even if they did, Amar would question him back, yeah, I am doing exactly what you're doing. I am also throwing punches, but it's like he just didn't understand the difference between play fighting and actually hurting people. Amar's aunt Meena comes over to the house to ask Parul a favor. Parul is Meena's sister. Meena चाहती थी कि पारुल उसकी बेटी का ख्याल रखे for a month because she had to go out of the town for work. मीना को actually एक job मिल गया था in the town. She was a house helper, 7 days a week, no leave, and she would walk out with $35 to $100 a month. And listen, it might not be a great amount for a lot of people to leave their kid alone, but being from a village and being from a family जिनके लिए इतना difficult था to meet their daily basic needs, that was a lot of money. That's a lot of money for a lot of people in India especially. Mind you, $35 to $100 a month. Like in a month उसको उतना 7 days a week काम करके मिलता, not per day, a month. You should just understand how desperate she might be to leave her newborn baby with her sister just to get that amount of money. Meena and her family were struggling to earn anything since the last 6 months जब से उनका फिर न्यू बेबी भी हुआ. They were just not okay financially. They were struggling really bad. So she decides कि वो पारुल अपनी बहन के पास अगर अपना बच्चा छोड़ दे. पारुल was also heavily pregnant, so she could breastfeed मीना के बच्चे को भी, and you know it'll be like a babysitting. मीना के लिए वो सबसे second best safest place थी for her baby after her. तो मीना अपने बच्चे को पारुल के पास सौंप के चली जाती है 1 महीने के लिए अपना काम करने के लिए. एंड कमिंग बैक टू द स्टार्ट ऑफ द वीडियो, पारुल एक दिन अपने बेटे अमर को इंचार्ज बना के बाहर जाती है बिकॉज उसको कुछ काम रहता है. शी हैड टू रन errands and get stuff for the house. She walks out the door and as soon as Amar hears the door close, he gets up, and this is as per the confession by Amar himself. He walks up to the crib and he starts pinching the baby, like you know, like ऐसे softly pinch करने लग जाता है. And then he takes his hands back, gives it a thought, and then he took his hands way back and then starts slapping the baby like very hard. Of course, as soon as the baby gets slapped, वो उठ के रोने लगती है. And as soon as Amar बच्चे को रोते हुए सुनता है, he starts smiling. It's like he felt this sense of happiness, as if there is something in the baby's cry that he likes, that is just very satisfying to his soul. He slapped, scratched the baby, took both of his small hands to wrap down the baby's even smaller neck and squeezed. He then took a brick and started slamming the baby's fragile skull. Brain matter was scattered all around the grass. As per the investigators, it was horrible. I don't know how anyone can do that. I don't know किसी के दिमाग में भी ऐसा कैसे आ सकता है, let alone a kid with another kid. Finally, when he felt satisfied with whatever he did, he digs up a hole, put on the mud on the top and just sprinkles some grass on it, and he just went back home like nothing ever happened. And let me tell you, this all happened in less than half an hour. Parul stated when she came back home, Amar was playing with his toys. Now a lot of crazy and unexplained things has happened in this case by Amar's parents. Parul, following her motherly instincts, she decides not to report Amar. What dad does is also very confusing. He beats Amar with a belt till he's laying on the floor in his own blood. Now Amar's parents are just roaming around the house, reasoning themselves कि उसने क्यों किया होगा, because you know he's a child and he wouldn't have that sickness and he wouldn't have that bad intention, evil intentions to hurt anyone. So ये नादानी होगी. They're just trying to reason themselves. And at last, what do? They wait. A month later, when Meena returns back home and she's sitting on their couch, Amar's dad walks up to Meena and just kneels down. They told Meena what has happened with her baby, begged and sobbed for Meena not go and turn Amar to the police. Basically वो मीना को beg कर रहे थे to not ruin their kid's life, जबकि मीना's newborn child was not there anymore. वो उसको वापस देख भी नहीं सकती थी. And I don't know, for some reason Meena agreed. I don't know if it's because she thought कि now she can't do anything, she can't have her baby back, and for her it was family. She didn't want to ruin Amar's life. She agreed to not report it to the police. And she looks around the corner and Amar was, you know, ऐसे छुपके से देख रहा था behind the wall, and she didn't even have to look at him अच्छे से, but she could just say that Amar was smiling. देख वो उसका बस आधा चेहरा देख पा रही थी वॉल से, and she could just tell Amar was smiling. To avoid any more family drama and to keep their family name, this issue was never reported to the police at that time. And the crazy thing is, in 6 months this whole thing was forgotten. मतलब अमर's parents, उनके दिमाग से ये चीज निकल ही गई थी कि ऐसा कुछ हुआ भी था in just a span of 6 months. I don't know if this is called a son syndrome or just how this society sees sons, like there's some form of Jesus. I don't know, like especially in Asian societies हम बहुत देखते हैं that son, बेटों को हर सब माना जाता है, you know, they're like great, उनकी कोई भी गलती नहीं होती है, you just have to forget that. So Amar's parents decided to push this accident as a one-time mistake. उन्होंने सोचा कि you know what, we're gonna punish him, this is never gonna happen, बचपने में हो गया उससे, we're gonna be very strict, we're gonna have some ground rules, and they just forgot about it. एक मासूम की जान चली गई and they just forgot about it as a accident, which is why they decided to bring another infant to the house, Amar's baby sister. Amar was good for a while until one day in India especially, or I don't know Asian countries में होता होगा, but at least in India afternoon में lunch के बाद people go to sleep. They, you know, वो chilling relaxing time होता है, they just go and take a quick nap. And same happened with Amar's parents. After they ate food they went to take a nap, and I don't know, out of boredom, curiosity, or just a sickness in his head, he was playing, but he got up, went over to his sister's crib, stared at her, and he wrapped his hands around her neck. He stared at her limp body for a few seconds, and he just went back to his room and started playing with his toys again. Like nothing ever happened. Parul woke up, she went to the crib to check up on the baby, and at first she thought कि okay, you know, the baby, उसकी आंखें बंद थी, baby was laying on the crib. She thought कि okay, you know, she must be sleeping. So she touched her and the baby was very cold. So she panicked. She called her husband. She looked around the corner in another room and she saw Amar. जैसे उसने अमर को देखा, she knew it was him. She asked him what did he do to his sister. She asked him if he did it, and he just nodded his head like, yeah, he did it. Now, after this incident, the neighbors started coming in because, you know, the mom was crying, she was panicking. So everyone started coming from the village, and एक corner में their first sight was Amar's mom crying over the crib, and on the other side Amar was crying. So I think they figured out what happened. They knew, they sensed what happened, and they were trying to calm down the mother, Parul. And here's the thing, especially in Asian countries, I am living in India, so I am just talking about Indians because मैंने यहीं पर ही देखा है. People are very hush hush about things. Like family name, surname बहुत matter करता है यहाँ पे. So even the neighbors, they were all quiet. They didn't know what to do, or maybe because Parul and her husband, Amar के जो parents थे, they were hard working people. Like कभी उनका family name and all, like they were well respected. So even the neighbors were all hush hush, and they just didn't know what to do about it. A few days later, Amar ke parents were going up to every neighbor, begging and pleading them to not report this matter. And let me tell you this, there was a gap of 8 months between the first murder and the second murder, and he's 8 years old. Now, सोचने वाली ये बात है that if the parents reported the first, would there be a second? I guess we'll never know. Khushbu's mom was not a neighbor. She didn't even know who Amar was. Khushbu was 8 months old. Khushbu की mom को actually बाहर जाना था कुछ काम से, so she decided to leave Khushbu with a daycare, more like a home business, you know, ऐसे घर पे जो babysitting and ऐसे local business की तरह उसको रन कर रहे थे. Khushbu's mom decided to leave Khushbu there. It was just supposed to be a very quick drop and pick up kind of a situation. And as you might have guessed, she came back to pick Khushbu, and Khushbu had physically disappeared. Like she was gone. Nobody could find her. Of course, everyone started panicking. Ab Khushbu is a baby. She can't walk. She can hardly crawl. ऐसा नहीं है कि, you know, she woke up from her nap and she just went somewhere. No, somebody has to physically pick her up and take her somewhere. And it's a very close-knitted community. So the news spread like wildfire. Everyone was finding Khushbu. And जब तक बात अमर की घर पे पहुंची, they were all looking at each other's face because maybe somewhere in their heart they knew who might have done it. It was one of Amar's aunt who knew about both the killings, the first one and the second one. And she pulled aside Khushbu's mom to tell all of this, and she told her that maybe Amar is involved in this one too. Now ये बात सुन के everyone started marching towards Amar's house. उसके घर के सामने पहुंच के they started demanding for Amar. At first Amar's parents started reasoning कि, you know, it couldn't have been Amar. He's just a kid. Why would he do this? He didn't even know Khushbu or her mother. But सबके इतना demand करने से, सबका इतना गुस्सा दिखे, they just had to bring him out. जब अमर बाहर आया, people asked him where Khushbu was or what he did with Khushbu, and some people say that when they asked Amar that, he smiled and bluntly stated, I killed her. The neighbors asked him to take where Khushbu was. Amar takes them to the edge of the town. And there was this pile of rocks covered with loose dirt and grass, and he just points and says, there, Amar had taken another life. In the investigation room, all the investigators जो involved थे इस केस में, जब उन्होंने अमर से पूछा why he did this या what made him do this, Amar asked for cookies and a cup of milk to dip it in. Also stated that जब वो chair पे बैठा था, his feet were not even touching to the ground. That's how small he was. And it was just very unbelievable. And ऐसा केस उन्होंने कभी नहीं देखा. इतना छोटा बच्चा ऐसी चीजें भी कर सकता है. Psychiatrists and human behavior experts also met Amar and they just couldn't figure out till this date what or why he would do all of this. Because if you think about it, usually क्रिमिनल्स या जो मर्डरर्स होते हैं यूजुअली उनकी लाइफ में या उनके चाइल्डहुड में ऐसा कुछ होता है दैट जस्ट ट्रिगर्स देम टू डू ऑल द बैड थिंग्स. बट अमर की लाइफ में ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. ही वॉज वेरी हैप्पी, ही हैड लविंग फैमिली, हिज पेरेंट्स अडोर्ड हिम, दे वर सो हैप्पी टू हैव हिम. इसी केस की वजह से एक क्वेश्चन बहुत ज़्यादा उठा था दैट आर यू जस्ट बॉर्न अ किलर समटाइम्स. लाइक अगर आपके लाइफ में कुछ हुआ भी नहीं है, are you just born as a killer? Amar was charged with the murder of Khushbu, not his sister or his cousin, but just Khushbu. Parul and Meena decided to not press any charges against him. In 2016, when he was 20 years old, court decided to give him a new identity. Amar would be around 27 today, but nothing is known about his current status. That was the case of Amarjeet Sada, the youngest serial killer. Thank you for joining in. Remember to take care, be kind, and always follow the light. I'll see you in the next video.